Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous. To those of you that are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button if you like this video, and please do leave me a comment. And to those of you who are continuing to support me, thank you so much. Okay guys, today we will play What's in the Box. What's in the box? Yeah, I also want to see what's in the box. So why don't we do it together, all right? So to tell you something about the story of this box, all right, last month was Mother's Day, right? And I was asked what I want for Mother's Day. And I kept thinking what I want, but then I decided that this is the one that I want for Mother's Day. So I just received this box recently and I did not get around of opening it right away. So today is the day and I'm so excited. In fact, I got scissors with me. I don't have a cutter, so I think this one will do, right guys? Sorry about me waving it, but I'm safe. All right, let's do this. Alright guys, can you guess what's in here? Or what is it for? Ooh! It's one box inside of this box. All right. What does it say here? So it says here, this is a gift. All right. I don't mind receiving a gift, right guys? Okay, let's open this box. All right. All right, guys. Here it is. This is what I got. Scarlett 2i2 Studio 3rd generation 2-in 2-out USB audio interface with the condenser microphone and headphones. It looks so pretty. And at the back, so Scarlett 2i2 Studio. Everything you need to record at home. You won't get a better sounding, more reliable recording bundle. Scarlett 2i2 Studio provides musicians with an all-in-one solution for a reassuringly easy recording process. Right out of the box, you get a Scarlett 2i2 USB audio interface, condenser microphone, 3-meter XLR microphone cable, closed back headphones, and all the software you need to start making the music. Two of the best performing mic preamps the Scarlett range has ever seen. Give your mics air, a brighter and more open sound. 2 high headroom instrument inputs for your guitar or bass. I don't play guitar, guys, or bass, so I'll figure out how I can use this. I like the color of it already. I want to see it. If I can figure out how to. Oh, there it is. Okay. All right, guys. Oh, so that's how it looks. It has all of this here that will tell you how to get it started. All right. So that's what's inside the box, guys. We have the important safety instructions, of course, that we have to read before we use this. And we also have this audio interface featuring two of the best performing Scarlett mic preamps. All right, let's take it out from the plastic bag. There it is, guys. That's the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 audio interface, and it says that it comes with the air. I think it's this one. You press that, and at the back, and the CM25MK3 condenser microphone for making detailed studio quality recordings. All right, let's open it. There it is. It looks so nice. And the next one is this HP60 MK3 professional closed back headphones for clear and comfortable audio playback, mixing, and monitoring. So that's how it looks, guys. It's so nice. It says here right and left. And that's for the head, and it has some cushions in here to protect the head. All right, that's how it looks like inside. All right, and it moves. There, you can also pull that on the side to adjust. Make sure it's sitting comfortably on your head. And of course, the cable that you can plug into the audio interface. And of course, all the accessories. This one is for the microphone. And of course, all the cables that we need so that we can just plug it in and be up and running in no time. All right, guys, that's all there is to this box. Thank you guys for joining me in the unboxing of Scarlett 2i2 Studio. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will get notified every time I post a video. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you next time. Stay safe, stay well, stay happy. Bye!